Hello friends, I am Yash Soni and welcome to Yash Soni Vlogs, where I vlog my life. So it's been a long time that I did not post recently on the channel, but that does not mean that I did not vlog. I did vlog and I'm gonna show all of them to you today in this video. But before that, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and yeah, spread love. Now to begin with, number one, जिसके लिए मैं अमेरिका आया था was to witness the work culture in America, and yes, your boy witnessed it.
I'm in my home city Boston, and today is a very interesting day for me because it's my first day of internship, and today I'll be working officially in the United States.
Number two, I challenged myself and took an important decision of my life, is that to be regular in whatever I do. So मैंने अपने आप को challenge दिया है that I'll be working out 30 days straight.
Coming alive. Heat of the night. Now is the time. Don't try to hide, 'cause I'm gonna harm you like you.
It's been 8 months that I'm in Boston, and I was so lazy enough that I did not take an initiative to explore Boston. But बाद में मैंने अपने आप से कहा यार अब नहीं घूमेगा तो कब घूमेगा. So मैंने दिमाग की बत्ती जलाई and I started exploring Boston.
Anywhere you wanna go, I follow. Mountain high and river low, I follow. Take me to the bottom, drop me in low, wherever you go. Mountain high and river low, I follow. It's a beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life with you. Anywhere you wanna go, I follow.
Now coming to beauty, I have experienced the two most beautiful parts of the day in Boston, that is the sunrise and the sunset. So a time lapse of sunrise and sunset coming for you in 3, 2, 1. And the last thing that I witnessed lately was the 4th of July. Yes, I celebrated the American Independence Day on the streets of Boston. इंडिया वालों को भी ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए यार. Today is 4th of July, today is American Independence Day, and right now it is 8:34 and you can see it's so bright. So we are heading towards MIT Media Lab to enjoy the fireworks session, some moments of 4th of July, like how Americans celebrated it. So let's go!
part is the fireworks is across the skyline.
Hey man, happy 4th of July.
Happy Independence Day.